No more dead zones. Whole home mesh Wi-Fi coverage of up to 4,500 square feet. Mesh technology helps you stay connected as you roam around home using a single network name. Works with all internet providers. Replace your existing Wi-Fi router, separate modem or gateway required. Compatible with any internet provider, including cable, satellite, fiber, DSL, and more. Wired Ethernet port. Plug in computers, game consoles, streaming players, and other nearby wired devices with a 1 gigabit Ethernet port. Fast wireless speed. A C1200 Wi-Fi powers up to 1.2 Gbps of streaming HD video, gaming, or internet surfing and downloads. Easy setup and manage. Set up Wi-Fi in minutes with the Orbi app, manage Wi-Fi settings, test and monitor speed. NETGEAR Armor protects your family's Wi-Fi with an automatic shield of security across all your connected devices with a 30-day free trial. NETGEAR Smart Parental Controls promotes healthy internet habits, fosters responsibility and builds trust with your kids. 30-day free trial included. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. No interrupted internet throughout entire home and outside. My nephew is a computer guru and he recommended this to me. I just moved to a 3-story home with a 4th-floor basement. My current router would go out every night in my 2nd-story bedroom. There was no internet on 3rd floor. This unit is perfect. So easy. I set it up. Me with no tech knowledge hooked up main one on 1st floor and the satellite on 2nd and 3rd floor. Great service even outside while sitting on porch. We run 4 TVs with Hulu, several iPads, multiple phones, 3 Echoes, remote blinds, Roomba and all room lights with no interruption. Best move ever.